This is not cool. Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. And this is Christmas. I can't believe Christmas came. I got a slingy. And this is Crazy Kid Gamer here. I got a lot of presents. I got this guy right here, Pikachu hat. Like, I love it. So I'm gonna keep it on here. Put it on. So, wait. Okay, you know what? I'll take it. So I got a slingy, and I got this thing that shines stars. Look. See, but it's light right now, so it doesn't really work. And then I got the Earth right there. Earth. I got Moon. Saturn. Whatever that is. Earth again. Boom. So, I got this thing, and that's really cool for me. Oh, this thing is not off. Oh. And I got this book that is really cool. Well, I think it's really cool. National Geographic Kids 5,000 Awesome Facts About Everything. And it's pretty big right there. It's like a chapter book, except way more sophisticated. So, and I also got, oh, I know what I got. $20. Here, I'll show you. And I also got tons of rare, like hecka rare cards, Pokemon cards. Santa brought them first, and if you don't believe in Santa, that's fine with me. But Santa brought them for me, and we hid inside my sister's room, and then we waited for Santa to come, and so I'm just gonna give you the money. That's really good. Here, let me go. Well, now I got $21, so, like, I got $21. From my Uncle Greg and from my uncle, and, yeah, man, this is a lot of money. I can't believe they gave that to me. Oh, there's $1 left. Okay. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. That's something else. But all I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got diamonds on my mind and I can't get enough. Man, this is a lot of money. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. You know what? I'm gonna rain it. I'm gonna make it rain. I'm gonna make it rain. Here. 2 pestos, 3 pestos, 4 pestos. Okay. Fudge stickers. Man, I'm rich. I'm hell rich. How loud is it? Dude, this looks like $1 million right here. This looks like quadrillion bucks. All I do is win, 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 all I do. Okay. Make it rain. All I do is win, 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 all I do. Oh my gosh. And I'm just 9. And then they give me like $20. Like, I don't know how much this is. This is probably like $100 right here.
Alright.
If you come to my house, man, this place is crazy right now. Like, I got a GameStop gift card that has like $50 in it, and I've got a McDonald's gift card where I can just go to McDonald's and eat. $5 in that. $10 in that. And then I got a Toys R Us card that's $25 in it. And then I got, man, I can't believe it. I got the GameStop card is $15, and I got the Xbox gift cards, $15. So 15 plus 15, $30 right there. Plus, all I do is rain, 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 no matter what. God damn it. Man. Oh, thanks for cooling me down, bro. Yeah. Dad, does this look like I have $100 in my hand right now? It looks like I'm a millionaire.
That's right.
It looks like this is like all $100 right here. Like 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800.
So now I want you to put it down. I want you to help me clear all these glasses off the table and put them right here.
Where's my phone? Okay. So guys, I'm gonna have to put this away, and I'm gonna have to help my dad clean up the mess after the party we had. So I'm shoving it in the thing. So peace out.